In this video, I am going to show you how you can extract the tags from an YouTube video. There's an online tool. With the help of this tool, you can easily extract the tags from an YouTube video. You'll get the link of this tool in my video description. Just copy the link and paste it in the search bar. Then you'll get the interface like this. Now you need to go to the YouTube and you need to select the video for which you'd like to get the tags. Let's say I would like to get tags from this video. Just simply keep the cursor, left click on the mouse and copy link address. Again, come back to this online tool. In this box, just need to simply paste the link. I need to give a tick mark here. I am not a robot. Then now select here, find the tags. Okay, well, when you click here find the tags, then here you get all the tags of this video. Now simply click here, copy the tags, then all the tags are copied in your clipboard. Now you can use this however you need. So in this way you can use or you can extract tags from an YouTube video.